Bitcoin is touching right now some short-term resistance, but it looks like that in the relative strength index we already broke that resistance. Guys, can we see a small bounce in the Bitcoin price? Well, that's the topic of today's video, guys. What is going on with Bitcoin? Anything changed? And I have one important message I want to share with you as well. Okay, first of all, guys, of course, it's very important that you guys scroll below this video and smash up that thumbs up button. That's very much appreciated. Then, when we have a look at Bitcoin, honestly, not that much has changed. When we scroll out a little bit, we can see that we are still trading within this falling wedge formation. We touched the support, and while touching the support, we also said most likely we will get a bounce. The question is whether that bounce can come to this level, maybe to the resistance. Most likely that bounce won't break out. Personally, I don't think that's going to happen. Why? Because I think Bitcoin needs more time to consolidate and the bulls need to capitulate. Not the extreme bulls, but the weak hands, right? We need to form a low, a bottom, where weak hands are shaken out of the markets, where we only have a strong fundamental support, and from that support, we can set in the next rally. And that will look as follow. We all go sideways and form that bottom right here, or, which I think is more likely because we are talking about Bitcoin, is that we are going to see a breakdown and then a break back up. Also a pattern that we are seeing quite often, but right now, guys, it's not yet clear which pattern it is going to be. Then, guys, a very important announcement. I just opened a free Telegram channel for every single one of you, for the community of the blockchain today. So make sure to join that Telegram channel. There will be additional information, important updates, and so on. It's definitely not the same as WhaleAlerts, so this is something completely different, but it is an important Telegram channel for you to be in. Because every time there are some important updates, maybe we are going to do a live stream, maybe some TA or some quick images I would like to share where I don't have the time to create a whole video over there for that on YouTube. I will post all of these stuff in Telegram, so it's really nice for me to have a extra community channel where we can post information over on Telegram. So make sure to join that one, guys. The link to the Telegram channel, guys, is down below in the description. Make sure to join. Very, very important. And yeah, guys, that's basically it for today's video. It's a little bit boring because there's not much that has been changed. Earlier today, I've posted a video about the Pi Cycle top indicator. If you have time, make sure to watch that one. It's a very interesting video. And tomorrow, I'm going to post a very interesting video about which altcoins to watch for 2023. The altcoins with most likely one of the most potential. Okay, so that's going to be an interesting video as well. I want to thank every single one of you for watching today's video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. I wish you all a beautiful day and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.